Hello, welcome to PostUploader affiliate program. Today I will guide how you can find your discount code or coupon code which you will share with your potential client. If that client purchase any package from our website, then you will earn 10% referral commission and that client will get 5% discount. I have to log in first. In my footer, I am clicking on affiliate login. After that, I have to give my username or email address. So I'm giving my email address here and I'm giving my password, clicking on login. After login, here has instruction to find your coupon code or discount code. Hover over the marketing tab. That means this marketing tab. After hover, you will find the coupon. If you click on this coupon, it will work. Or if you hover here, you see coupon is displaying here and you can click on the coupon. If I come to the down, then you see here is the discount code. And for my profile, this is the discount code, Mahiuddin. And discount value, when your client will use this discount code, he will get 5% discount and you will reward 10% commission. Okay, I am giving a example from another browser. I am opening my website and visiting our pricing page, and I am going to purchase reseller package, but this discount code will use for all of the packages. If your buyer purchase any packages, they will get that same discount and you will earn that 10% commission. As an example, I am purchasing this reseller package. I am clicking on add to cart. Here has an option add a coupon. So I am adding the coupon here, Mahiuddin, and if I click on apply, you see total price for this package was 220 and 5% discount is 11 USD, and now his total bill is 209. Now proceed to checkout. So this is the benefit of your client when he is using your coupon code. Okay, I am purchasing this package and after that I am showing you. I have added all of the billing information. Now I am going to place the order. You see, order purchasing is complete. Now, if I come to my email address, I will get an email about this referral commission and I can see my dashboard, all of the commission details. If I come to my email inbox, you see I already got an email. You have got a new referral postuploader.com. So if I open this mail, here it's saying, congratulations, you have received new referral for your account and your referral amount is 20 USD. That means this 20.90 USD you earn from that order. And if I go my affiliate portal, here is the link. After coming here, you see, here is nothing displaying. If I click on the referral, you see, here it's saying 20.90, it's pending referral amount. When post uploader authority will check all of the order details, after checking, it will come to your dashboard. After a while or after 24 hours, if you again come to your affiliate portal and give a refresh, you see your earning already displaying on your dashboard. That means it's are not on pending. Your affiliate commission is approved by post uploader team. After 7 days, it will automatically withdraw to your bank account. So it's very simple. Just you have to share your coupon code or discount code. Come to the marketing tab. After that, click on coupon. Then below you will find discount code, and this is your discount code. Just share this code with your potential client. If that client purchase any package from postuploader.com, he will get 5% discount. After that, you will get 10% commission. So it's both win-win situation. I believe this affiliate program will be very easy to earn for writer, blogger, web designer, graphics designer, web developer, SEO expert, or any online marketer. They can earn extra money by using existing client, no hassle, no work. Today it's done. Just sign up as post uploader affiliate and earn extra money. Thank you.